Good morning, students. I am again in front of you. This is your math period. So, student, in the previous video, I have to explain you how to write ordinal numbers. What is ordinal number? I have already explained you in that video. Now, I am going to explain you how to do the exercise of book. Okay? This exercise is based on ordinal number. So student, you have to see the table once again. Here the numbers are given. These numbers are cardinal number. In the video I have already explained this thing. Okay, and these are ordinal number. The number we have written here, these are cardinal number, but number we have written here in this line and this line is our ordinal number. Okay, order of numbers in counting. Okay, ordinal number tell us about order or position. Now I am going to do the exercise. You see very well, watch it. Okay, and tell me the answer. First you draw a table like this, because questions are based on alphabet and days. So here we write the days in the serial number, okay, and day's name also. We see this and do the exercise. In the week, Tuesday is the, so student, let's see the table. Monday, Tuesday, Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, some books have written there is Monday is the second day of the week. They said Sunday is the first of the week. But according to ISO, okay, Monday is the first day of the week. So we also follow this rule. Monday is the first day of the week. So in the week, Tuesday is the, on which position Tuesday comes? On which position? 1, 2? No. When we asking about position, we write ordinal number. So, what now? In the week, Tuesday is on second day. Second day. You have write here second day. Okay, students. First, you have write down date in quotation. Then you start your work. Okay. Saturday is the, see here and tell me the position of Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth day. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Okay. And what about Sunday? Count it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. The Sunday is the seventh day. Okay. In the year, May is the, we count at fingers. Okay. January, February, March, April, May. On which position May comes? Fifth. May comes on fifth month. Okay. And August, May, June, July, August. It means 8th. August is the 8th month. Okay. At this time, what month is going on? July. July is the 7th month. Then August is the 8th month. Okay, students? I hope you all are understand very well. A. A is the first letter of alphabet. A is the first letter of alphabet. And the fifth letter is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. E is the fifth letter. Okay. I is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. I is the ninth letter. Why we write 9? Why we not write 9? because at this time I am asking about ordinal number. We are discussed about ordinal number. Okay, when we talking about position, we write ordinal number, not cardinal number, not 9. We have to write here 9th. Good. K is the, on which position K? Tell me. See and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, 10th, and K is the 11th position. 11th position. Okay. And the 5th, Bharatnatyam. Here the word written here, and the question is asking the 10th letter is. So student, we have to count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. On 10th position, which letter comes? Yes, Y. Okay. Y. 10th, 11th and 12th. So student, 12th letter is M. Okay, in the G. In dictionary. Here the spelling is dictionary. So student, tell me the letter T comes. On which position T comes? First, second, third, fourth. On which position? Fourth position. On fourth position. Good. And R. What about R? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, on ninth. Here the spelling is given, then they ask the question. Here they ask the question about alphabets. Okay. Now second, write the name. Okay, recognize the fruit and write the spelling. Yes, mango. Good. Apple. Orange. You want to eat? Watermelon. Banana. Okay. We write the spelling of these fruits. Okay. The B, they are asking, now write the first letter of these words in alphabet order. Okay, in alphabet order. So in alphabet, what letter comes first? A. So we write A. The second fruit is B. B for banana. Banana is made by B. So we write B. Okay. Then the C, not C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, not K here. No fruit start with K. L, no fruit start with L. M for mango. In alphabet order, mango, M. Then M, after M, N, no fruit by N, and then O. Okay. And the last one is W. Using here using the first letters, write the words in alphabet order. Okay. A for arrow. Okay. Then B for bat. Then M for mat. Then O for owl. Okay. Then W, watch. Okay, now your exercise completed. I hope you have understood what is ordinal number.